This exam application tutorial is on the topic of the nervous system. The question for 3 marks: describe how an electrical impulse travels through a neuron. So state the parts of a neuron in order as an electrical impulse travels through it. So an electrical impulse will start its journey at the tip of a dendron, these little sort of spidery bits over here. So an electrical impulse travels from the dendron to the cell body, so outwards to inwards. Here's the cell body. It then passes along the axon. The axon's like the cable-like feature of the neuron. It's a long stretched out part of the neuron. To the axon terminal. So from dendrite to cell body, along the axon to the axon terminal, the ending of the axon. You could also make note that the myelin sheath, those are the fatty rolls that surround or insulate the axon, causes the impulse to leap along the axon. So basically, where the myelin sheath isn't present, the impulse jumps, and that makes nervous conduction much faster.